He don't even know what a carp is.
That's what I thought it was. Mama,
He don't know. He couldn't tell a carp from a shad.
Okay, throw him in.
Come on. He's 30 years old. He's telling me all about how to.
I didn't think it was a shiner. What are you talking about?
Yeah, a shiner. I wasn't a carp shiner.
Mama, look at me.
But he, you know, it's like I'm an old man.
What was that?
Live and learn. I used to carry mules around there.
What did you just throw in?
I took him everywhere. I got tanky.
Some brims?
I remember throwing a soda in there when I caught about a 10-pound carp. I was telling him, but he was more concentrating on fucking dobies and sun-kiss and pickles.
I got a baby bass.
A baby bass? Baby bass.
And a baby bass.
Your mama, I guess, will send this to you. I'm waiting for explosions, but I don't really see it. He even put weed in here. That kind of weed they used to put in the tank. It's real nice, pretty stuff. It's a native weed. It's real nice and...
Any more?
There's a lot. American shit. These are what I tell them. We're going to come up with those things. That kind of bad. Put some food. Pork, how you want to... I would put a few grams of mosquito larvae or that thing to the top of it's kind of like having a bird in a cage. Had a problem today with a bird getting out and flying around because the mama had to quit clipping the wings. And what do birds do? What do they mainly do other than eating and stuff and trying to live? What do they do?
At least now the bass will have some fish to eat. We'll have food to eat. That's good. That's good.
Well, you know,
that's good.
If you want to get like closer to like...
You want to incarcerate someone and try to rehabilitate